Logic and deductive reasoning tell me that it's either the jaguar knight in the temple with the obsidian dagger, or it's the winged serpent on the chinampa with the wooden club.
Our mark could be anyone. You can't eat babies!
I skipped lunch. Speaking of... Oh, yeah.
Dementia, stop!
Victor, it's my turn!
Well, you're taking too long to make a decision.
I'm Dr. Flug. Nice to meet you. We're looking for someone, and, we're travelers who've come here from...
Another dimension, right?
How did you know that?
You both only have 4 fingers. An anomaly like that is too conspicuous to happen twice. What are you doing here?
Well, we've been sent to find...
A big, nasty squid it looked like.
Well, that's what it used to look like. Now it's...
Disguise itself as one of the citizens of this very town?
How do you keep doing
That? I fancy myself a master of deduction.
Fascinating.
Maybe we can put our heads together to find the perp.
Hey, I ain't helping nobody unless there's something in it for the Vixter.
I like this kid.
So, grease my palms, little bag boy.
How's about I give you, your own butler robot?
Yeah, baby, now we're talking.
Now, let's talk strategy.
In conclusion, the cephalopod in question is a freshwater creature, making it averse to sodium chloride. Contact will force a transformation, exposing its true form.
Talk normal!
To put it simply, if it touches salt, it'll turn back into a squid.
Oh, so let's just throw salt at every weirdo in town. If they get all squiddy, we've got our creep.
Yeah, salt the squid.
If you start salting everyone, won't the creature get wise and hide?
We're much better off taking a scientific approach to this.
Whatever, Nerd Squad. We ain't doing your math problems.
Yeah, we're gonna bag that squid way before you fools. Who needs brains when you got guts?
Oh yeah? Will you? Your guts are,
They're gone, Val.
I know.